So once I have opened the NiryoStudio, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the robot via hotspot to my computer. To do that, I go here, network, Niryo hotspot, connect, and it's connected. So then I go to connect the robot. Here I have to put the IP address 10.10.10.10, connect, connection is in progress, it's connected. So I can see the robot moving. Let's try to do some direct moves. Here we go. Let's move just the base. Let's be cautious. A little bit of the base. And let's go. Nope, not working. There's something going on here. Okay. Oh, I need to calibrate the robot first. Okay, so that big button, I have to click on it. Calibration. Still calibrating. There you go, it's calibrated. Okay. So let's make it rock. So I'm moving this a bit without knowing what I'm doing. I hope it's not going to collapse or just scratch my wall. I don't know. Let's go. Nice. Let's go back home. Nice. The grippers come in plastic bags. Let's do this first one. So this one has the same connector like the gripper that comes with the robot as a standard. Also has the same actuator. It's interesting, it has two springs here. It's also 3D printed in a very tough material. This is very tough material. But this is also the same soft material that is used for this gripper here. And it looks to me that this is a compliant gripper. Yeah. So this gripper can handle things and grab around the things, which is quite interesting. I'd like to see how it performs when it grabs something, still pulling here, and when it opens, it more or less maintains the same position. Okay, I'll give it a try to see how it works. Quite interesting. This one is very similar, slightly smaller. Also looks like a compliant gripper. This one is also 3D printed. Hard plastic, soft rubberized plastic. So this one is not compliant. This one will grab and will stay like this. The interesting thing is that these two parts are always parallel or nearly parallel because of the flexibility. So these ones, they can bend to grab around something. These two, they always stay parallel or nearly parallel. Also same kind of actuator and same kind of plug. Thinker's more intended to grab things on this area. Both of them, they come with the same magnet as this one. That makes it very easy to change the gripper. So let's change the gripper. I went to equipment, accessories, and somehow this robot knows what kind of gripper this is. So first time I'm doing this, I'm going to disconnect this while still everything on. Oh, okay. So it says no accessories connected. Good. I remove this gripper. And I'm going to put this small one. Okay. Maybe it's upside down. Yep. Okay. It's on. I'm going to say new scan. Large gripper connected. Let's open it. Oh, wow. Much larger. Offers a nice grip. Let's go for the next one. So again, I'm unplugging it without turning anything off or anything. Taking it off, it detects that there's no accessories connected. Connected the compliant gripper. New scan. Adaptive gripper. Okay. Open. Ha. Close. Well, this is by far the strongest grip. By far. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use Blocky to make the robot grab this figurine, turn it, put it down, and go back to the initial position. I have already marked on the table the original position of the figurine, so I can repeat the experience if it doesn't work the first time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a position. And this is giving me the position where the robot is right now. I have this. I'm going to tell the robot to open the jaw. So I'm going to say tool, release with the gripper of vacuum or vacuum here. Then I'm going to wait for 1 second just for the sake of it. And I'm going to make the first movement. To do that, I'm going to use the free motion button, and I'm going to make it a bit complicated so it's more spectacular. So I'm grabbing here now. The robot has no resistance. I'm going to move it to here like this. I'm going to release it, and it's hard again. I'm going to say add this position. It's going to go here. I'm going to attach it here. I'm going to add another position. Which is going to be this one. Add position. Then I'm going to add another position. It is this one. Oop. Sorry for that. Here, now, I'm going to say to the tool to grasp. So you have to imagine that this is grasping right now. Then I'm going to lift it. Here. Add position. I'm going to turn it. Add position. I'm going to lower it. And I'm going to release it. So tool, release. Once it's released, I'm going to move back here. Then let's move up while turning this like this. Add position. And then I'm going to copy this position because this one was the initial position. So duplicate, and I'm going to move it here. So I'm having a hard time grabbing the legs of this little boy. Basically because this one is thicker than this one, so it pivots. So I'm adding a little bit of foam to see if the gripper is able to grab it better with this. Let's give it a try.